Balancing flavors, the art of perfecting your dishes. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic: balanced flavors. Understanding this concept is not just about language. It's about experiencing culture, cuisine, and communication through taste. So, let's embark on this delicious journey and explore what balanced flavors really means in the culinary world. What do we mean when we talk about balanced flavors? Imagine you're listening to a symphony where every instrument plays in harmony, creating a perfect blend of sounds. Similarly, balanced flavors in food mean that no single flavor overpowers the others. Instead, they work together to create a harmonious taste. It's the delicate equilibrium between sweetness, sourness, saltiness, bitterness, and umami, a savory taste that makes a dish truly stand out. Let's break down the 5 basic flavors that are key to understanding balance in cooking. 1. Sweetness, often derived from sugars. Sweet flavors can bring richness and depth to a dish. 2. Sourness. Sour flavors, like those from citrus or vinegar, add brightness and help balance overly sweet or rich dishes. 3. Saltiness. Salt is essential in cooking. It enhances other flavors and can make a dish go from bland to brilliant. 4. Bitterness. Bitter flavors can be challenging, but when used correctly, they add complexity and balance out sweetness or richness. 5. Umami. Often described as a savory or meaty flavor, umami adds depth and fullness to a dish. Creating a dish with balanced flavors often involves a bit of trial and error. Here are some tips to achieve that perfect balance. 1. Taste as you go. The best chefs taste their dishes throughout the cooking process. This helps in adjusting the flavors as needed. 2. Understand your ingredients. Each ingredient brings its own flavor profile. Understanding how these flavors work together is key to creating a balanced dish. 3. Consider texture and aroma. Balance in a dish is not just about taste. The texture and aroma also play vital roles in the overall experience. 4. Practice makes perfect. Balancing flavors is an art. The more you cook and experiment, the better you'll become at finding that perfect harmony. We hope this video has helped you understand what balanced flavors means and how you can apply this concept in your cooking adventures. Remember, balancing flavors is about creating harmony and ensuring that each taste complements the others, just like notes in a beautiful melody. Keep practicing, keep tasting, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon in our next English language learning video.